it's Gina with WTI. And if you live on a farm, have animals, or a garden, you are going to find endless uses for this hardware cloth that I got from AMAGABELI Garden and Home. I absolutely needed this hardware cloth because it is galvanized after welding and is 1/2 inch. That means that it's not going to rust. I live in an area that gets a lot of rain, and so things do rust. And also, I have rabbits that love to chew through wire. I needed to make an enclosure for them that I could feel confident knowing that they could not get out of. And then also, we have a lot of digging rodents in our yard, like moles. In order to keep them from tearing up my raised garden bed that's on the ground, I needed to put this underneath the dirt in the bed so that would prevent them. Another thing I love about this wire is it's 19 gauge, which means that it is bendable, but it's still stiff. So like in the areas of the garden bed I put it in, I could just sort of bend it around the corners without having to cut it. But also it cuts really easy with just a pair of tin snips. And I definitely recommend using gloves with this. So I generally wear no cut or leather gloves when I handle it in order to protect my hands and arms. I got the 48-inch by 50 feet with the 1/2 inch holes, and this was just absolutely perfect for all of my uses. You cannot go wrong with this hardware cloth. AMAGABELI Garden Home has a lot of different options, sizes, lengths to choose from. You're going to love the quality of it. I think it's amazing, and that's my point of view.